I'm here at AUSA 2016 talking with Shaun Ridley, Program Manager, Light Tactical Vehicles, GD-OTS. We're standing beside a variant of SOCOM's GMV 1.1 Flyer Light Tactical Vehicle. The vehicle we're standing beside is configured for the Army's Light Reconnaissance Vehicle role. Shaun, as I understand it, the Army has recently announced that it has selected a variant of JLTV to meet its interim Light Reconnaissance Vehicle requirement. Could you tell us how this version of SOCOM's GMV 1.1, configured as it is, fits in with that statement?
So the original requirement for the LRV for the Army was a 6-seat soldiers underneath armor with an overmatch capability of 30 millimeter. And that's how we started with this truck, by putting the 30 millimeter on, demonstrating a high level of mobility, and then the overmatch capability with the 30 millimeter weapon.
And as I understand it, JLTV in its current configuration seats 4, this seats 6, and is ready and available effectively now?
Correct. We understand the JLTV production and delivery of their vehicles, and we're not in a position to try and compete with JLTV or go after that market. What we are saying is the requirement for 6 men undercover, under armor, with a 30 millimeter capability. We've got a truck that we're currently producing for SOCOM. And if the Army sees fit and needs that requirement more immediate, then we're ready to go with our truck.
And you say that this particular vehicle is in production for SOCOM. Could you update us on where that program currently is?
Sure. We're right in the middle of about halfway through low-rate initial production. The vehicles are building down at Anniston. And then next year, we'll go into the first full year of full-rate production for the 1.1s.
And a different version of the Flyer, that's currently being evaluated by the Marine Corps?
No, the other variant of the SOCOM program is the other program the Army is looking at is the ground mobility vehicle, which is the 9-seat configuration to move an IBCT squad forward without having to give them some mobility. And in that case, since we were already producing a variant of the 1.1 that's a 7-seat configuration, we added 2 more seats that's under the existing roll cage to make it a 9-seat configuration to meet the Army's requirements. And that's the other variant that we're pushing forward for the Army GMV. What we're also showing here is our Army GMV variant, which is a 9-soldier seated variant of our SOCOM program. The requirements, last RFI that was released came out with a litter requirement, which we're showing here as well. And what we've done is we've taken 4 of the 9 seats out that go into the rear of the truck and put the 2-liter configuration in there to show that the adaptability and the configurability of the vehicle to be able to take 4 seats out, adapt it to the litter configuration in a very short period.
Is this a modular package, so within the field you can change from one to the other if required? Yes,
absolutely. So the BII tools that are on the truck support most of the kits coming off and on, to include taking 4 seats off and putting the litter kit on.
And as far as the Flyer vehicle is concerned, is there anything new you can tell us about potential export sales, other users, or that sort of thing?
Sure. We just we're currently delivered this week. We responded to an RFP and a bid proposal out of Canada. So we've got 2 trucks up there competing for a Canada project, which is a 5-seat configuration of the base variant 72. We've also initiated and started executing on an Italian FMS contract.
Excellent. Thank you very much.